Hey GETMADE Squad, and welcome back to my channel. I hope that this video finds you in wonderful, great, excellent spirits. So today I have a, what am I trying to say, guys? I have a makeup tutorial for you. I'm starting off with the Dermablend setting spray. I'm gonna use that to soak up any oil on my eyelids. In case you're new to my channel and don't know the reason behind why I'm doing this, that is the reason why. I'm going to go in with LA Girl Pro Concealing Porcelain for my eyeshadow base. Okay, and I'm going to set that with that Dermablend setting powder. Guys, my message for today is about manifestation. Manifesting what you want in life. Okay, so if, for instance, you want to further your career, whether it's get a promotion or maybe go back to school or maybe take some training to get yourself to the next level and you're just not sure how to get there, that's what manifestation is about. Manifesting, visualizing it, focus on it, claiming it, and just putting yourself already in that position in your mind. Like you already set yourself to believe it's going to happen. You're manifesting it to come true. So like I said before, the mind is a very, very powerful thing. So if you focus on what you want, you can manifest a lot of stuff in your life. Just like if you keep focusing on negative, negative things are going to keep happening. You're attracting that negativity. You're attracting the stuff that you don't really want in your life. You're attracting it. For example, if you're saying no one likes you, or if you're saying that you're not good enough, if you're saying that you're not smart enough, if you feel like you're overweight, if you feel like someone doesn't love you, just anything of that nature, or you're stupid or you're dumb, all that, you put all that negativity and that focus on those negative thoughts, you're just feeding into it. You're feeding into that toxic behavior, that toxic way of thinking, that toxic way of looking at life, and you're not going to get any further. You're just going to keep keeping yourself down, okay? Because you're focusing on it negative, and then you're going to attract people who are going to feed into that. They're going to say, yeah, you're stupid, yeah, you're ugly, you'll never be good enough, you're making the wrong decisions, blah, 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 blah. You're going to attract those people because that's the type of energy you're sending out. Okay, so if you focus on the positive and you manifest a better way of life for yourself, you will achieve that, and you will begin to attract people who can get you to that point. Are there going to be negative people? Yes, this is the world and society we live in. Unfortunately, yes, there are always going to be negative people, evil people out there, but you won't attract them into your circle if you are focusing and manifesting this better life for yourself, a better position for yourself, because those pieces are going to move into your life to get you there. Okay, so whatever it is you want to do, if you want a loving relationship with a partner, manifest that. Don't become desperate to where every person who grabs your attention or anyone comes your way, you're just like, yes, 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 yes. Or every person you encounter, you're like, oh, I hope this person asks for my number. Or I hope this person interested in me. It's not, don't throw all those desperate vibes, but just sit down, meditate, and think about what you want in a partner, and just focus on that, and go about your business and go about your day. And then when it's time, that person will come into your life because you manifested that to happen. If you want your children to, get better in school, or maybe they're having a behavioral problem, and you're just trying to find a way to help get them to a better place themselves, manifest that, and then something will move into place. Maybe you'll meet someone who can refer you to a therapist, or maybe you can meet someone who's a coach, and you're thinking, maybe if I get my kids into a sport, they can take some of that energy and use it towards a sport and make themselves feel better and get on, on better track with their lives and feeling better about themselves. So it's just all in how you think. It really boils down to how you think, and the will and the beliefs and the faith that you have. You have all of that, like I said, you really can manifest a lot of things, good things in your life. So Let's take all that negative out. I do it. We all do it, right? We're all guilty of doing that at one point, and you have to stop yourself. When you see yourself or feel yourself or hear yourself or whatever it is, thinking about that, you stop. You stop at that moment and you let it go. We're not doing this. We're not going to repeat the same patterns that we already repeated, the same behaviors, because it's not getting us anywhere. So when you get to that point where you're thinking like that, stop it. It's time to quit it. Let it go. Let it go. Okay? We're going to focus. We're going to take that, whatever that thought was, change it around and make it positive. Okay, yeah, I'm overweight now, but that's not where I'm going to be in a month. In a month, I'm going to be down 5 pounds, 2 inches, you know, something like that. All this boils down to is you can manifest what you want in your life. You can't manifest the lottery, I don't believe, because I tried that. But you can manifest yourself in a better financial situation to where you don't need the lottery. Okay, the lottery is not even it's like a non-factor to you because you've already got all these other things in place that are making, you know, can't talk, guys. They are putting you on the right track financially, and you don't need the kind of money because you already have it. You earned it, you invested it, you're getting a return on your investment, whatever they may be. So, manifestation. Manifest what you want. All right, got that out there. Okay, so we're going to start off with Juvia's Place, the Festival palette. And we're going to use these colors right here for right now. And then we'll see where it goes from there. Alright, and now we're ready to go ahead and cut our crease. And I'm going to go in still with porcelain to do that. You sexy thing, you. I believe in miracles. Since you came along. Alright guys, so I decided to go into this last row on this palette. Never done that before, so I'm gonna try that out and see how it goes. And we're going to kind of go up at an angle. I know I tried that technique before and my camera cut out. Just checking to make sure. So we're going to try to do this again and see how it goes. Okay, so now I know what I'm going to do with this part right here. I think I'm going to go in with that white that's in the Festival palette, and I'll pack that right on that, the open space we have. This is the concealer highlighter from Crayon Case number 5. I don't know, guys, having some issues. Yeah, look. Aww. I needed you. How did you know I needed you so badly? How did you know I'd give my heart gladly yesterday? The Maybelline Superstay full coverage, their powder, and I got the color. What color is this, guys? It's 312, which is golden. Because I think I got 220 to match the foundation I had, and it was way too light. So I had to give it to Mimi, so she has that. Speaking of which, I don't even think she uses it. But she has powder, but when she runs out. I did use this yesterday on my day off. I just used it to... because I just put on some, like, you know, small lashes, just to be a little bit cute, to go run my errands yesterday on my day off. And I do like this powder. Do you stay matte for 16 hours? No. I think my usual oil came through, so yeah. You do not stay matte for long, but it's still, you know, it's still a good powder. I think the coverage is better with the Omolewa photogenic one. I think the coverage is better. Okay, I'm gonna spray my face with the Teddy Organics Rose Water. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows off camera, and I'm trying to figure out if I want to add eyeliner to this look, kind of like it just like this. I don't know, let me think about it. Okay, so I decided to go ahead and put on liner. I'm gonna try this new LA Girl Line Art matte eyeliner. I bought this a while ago and I was waiting for my whatchamacallit, my NYX one to dry out. So we're gonna just go ahead and try this one. It has a felt tip, so instead of having a brush, it's gonna be a felt tip. Okay, so a few things. First, I regret doing the eyeliner. I shouldn't have done the eyeliner because now you can't see that dark gray fading up. So, I don't know, you miss it. You kind of can see on this side, this one a little bit. So yeah, I should just left it alone. My thoughts on this. So it's not, the felt tip is not soft. So it's more on the harder, rougher side, which is a good thing because, I mean, it says it's a line art, so you kind of want that stiffness. That's what I'm looking for. So it's not hard, it's just stiffer, which is good for when you're doing line work. You kind of want a little bit of stiffness. Some people prefer a looser brush. I kind of like my brushes a little bit stiffer when I'm drawing or doing kind of graphic line work. I feel like it gives me better control, so it's really a preference thing. But yeah, just know that it's stiff, so it doesn't have much flexibility to it. Maybe once you use it a while, you may be able to break it in, you can. But with felt liners, they don't last that long anyway, so I don't know how much time you'll have to break it in. But anyway, maybe if you're doing like a whole bunch of work at the one time, it might break it in. But the line was smooth. I didn't have any issues with using it. I just noticed that it's just different than you know, what I was using before, especially brushes versus other felt tips. So yeah, that's my thoughts on that. And yeah, I wish I hadn't have I wish I hadn't have done the liner. So for blush, I'm actually going to use the matte book, guys. The matte book is the matte book is coming out, and I'm going to use what am I going to use? I'm going to use this shade for my blush. My highlight, I'm going to use Touch of Fancy Cosmetics in Baby Mother. It's a rose gold shade. And these shades, most of our blind lighters kind of have like a glittery kind of finish to them, so if you're not into the glitter, I wouldn't get Baby Mother or that Peach Please color that I have. But I mean, once they blend in, I mean, they give you a really nice, pretty satin finish. It's just that they do have that glittery aspect to them, just to let you know. Okay, today I'm going to go in with my Fearless lashes from Gypsy Beauty. I love lashes, guys. Like, I have so many lashes. I just really, really love lashes. So I'm going to put these bad boys on. Okay, and for my lips, I'm going to use the NYX liner in Jewel. I had to buy Minmi one of these because she was trying to steal this one. And then I'm going to top it off with a Touch of Fancy Butter Baby lip gloss. I love this lip gloss. I will wear it by itself. I just put my lip balm on, put this on. I'm good. I love the way it looks. I'm just going to add a little bit of color by using the lip liner. I love wearing this gloss like on my days off as well. Like if I put like a little short lashes on, do a little thin brow filling on my brows, I put this in, I'm good to go. Like I'm not full face makeup, but I'm not just roll out of bed, go out the door either. Nothing's wrong with that. I do that. Yeah, I know I'm not running errands. I'm just going straight to the grocery store. I just put on whatever. I don't get all fancy. I mean, I make sure my hair is covered or looks decent, but that's pretty much it. I love this gloss. I'm not lying. I literally have like 3 more of these because I keep losing them, and I get upset. Like they make this. Sorry guys. They make your lips feel really good, and it stays. Like it'll stay for hours. Like if I don't eat anything, it will stay on there. Even if I eat, it'll take a little bit off, but overall, I really like that lip gloss. Okay, I'm just gonna spray my face one more time. So you're probably wondering what we're gonna do with this hair. I don't know what my hair looks like. I had it in twists. I took the twist out. I retwisted certain parts of my hair, and I stuffed it into here. So don't be shocked when I take it off, because I have no idea what's going on. I don't know how the curls are gonna look because I just kind of shoved them in there. Doesn't look too bad. Let me take some of the twist out that I have. Alright guys, so this is my complete look right here. I don't have my pick. All my picks are in my car because I pick my hair right before I go to work. So it's not as big as I would like it to be, but you know, you get the idea. So yeah, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this look. I'm actually on time, so let me end this so I can remain on time. Let's put some of this right here. So I hope you enjoyed this look. Let me give you a close-up. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And also hit notifications so you know when a new video is headed your way. And I feel like YouTube is not showing you guys my new uploads, so hit notifications, and that way you can know when a video is uploaded, so that way it doesn't get lost in all your other subscriptions, because you know I'm awesome and fabulous. But no, I like hearing from you guys, and so hit the notifications so that way you can see the videos and leave your comments, and we can have conversations with each other and exchange information, all the other good stuff. Alright, and I will see you guys in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day, week, month, year. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.